Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, we open in about 5 minutes, just very quickly. Sorry I'm late this morning. It's just been a great big day in the room. We're making another lower low now, below 31. Big night last night, big day yesterday. Bottom line, short 74. It hit our bet the house level on Friday, so we had a really nice day yesterday with a lot of that. We ended up short 65 half. After we covered, we caught the next leg down there. Last night we were short. We were long a couple of times above the weekly pivot, but you can see on this hard break we ended up short 46.75. Put that out for everybody, and that ended up being a really nice little short. We're short again here. We'll see what, if anything, the bears can produce to the downside. They had the potential, when I took the screenshot of this a few minutes ago, for matching lows at 31. They've really got to convert this area. You've also got to understand that right here at 37 is the 9-day simple moving average. If they can convert that, then if you can convert the 9-day simple moving average, then the next step here on the daily chart would be to go down steadily towards the daily mid band, which is going to continue to rise rapidly to meet price. So, you've got a couple of days here. We've had these couple of day moves before. Typically, these couple of day moves cannot convert the 9-day simple. So, what I'm very interested in seeing today is, can the bears actually convert the 9-day simple moving average? If they can, then there's a potential for a little more downside. If not, I expect us to head back up and retest the weekly pivot up at 51. So, everybody have a good day. We've been trading like crazy in the room. I'll be out with a wrap-up later. Trade them well. I will talk to you then. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.